Dude, I don't even know, guys. This is just crazy what's happening right now. First of all, yes, I'm on summer break, and I have been for about, what's today? Uh, Monday, so that's the 5th. I got out on the 26th, so that's 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 31 plus 5, no. 10th day of summer. Now, by the way, let me just tell you what I've done. Nothing. Really, I've done nothing. I've been sitting and I've just been watching YouTube on my laptop so much. When I move my eyes just simply right to left, not when I turn my head, but when I just move them like this, my eyes hurt. That's how much screen I'm doing. And I think a lot of people are going to say, "Oh, Ollie, how about you take a break?" No, I'm just not, but that's besides the point. So, we let our cat, Gia, outside, and she happened to come across a bat today, and unfortunately, this is not a baseball bat, like a bat, like the animal, like the ones that people in China ate to cause COVID. That's what I'm talking about. And I don't even know if the bat bit her, because that's what we're concerned about. Because we're not sure if the bat bit her or nipped at her or what. I mean, I'm completely against the idea of letting our cat outside, and it's just. I mean, when I heard that, my reaction in my head was like this. No, I can't do that. That's too creepy. That's too creepy, dude. By the way, my chair's right here. Oh, so I can't say. I mean, but Gia's gonna get a rabies shot tomorrow, booster, just to be sure. But she can't go outside for 45 days, so I mean that's good. And then after a while she's gonna maybe lose it just mentally. She's gonna be like, I'm sick of being in here. Why? Is it because I ran into a bat? It's not a big deal. Gia, the problem is that it either nipped at you or bit you or any of the above. Also, I got stuff on my wall put up finally. Yeah. If you hear any noise, that's just the garage door. My mom just got back from the grocery store. I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah.